to the next theory, which is material in parallel. Just now, all this while is we are talking about the circuits in series, okay? Because you have to remember, or if you ever reflect on what you have learned during the electrical instrumentation technology, you have this kind of circuit, right? So this one is being called series lah, okay? And they also the circuit whereby you have this kind of resistors arrangement, right? So this one is being called parallel. Okay. So the concept is also being brought through this heat transfer. Okay. If we have like this configuration of layer, okay, sorry for my drawing lagi sekali. Okay, macam ni lah. Sama je buruk juga sorry. This is layer A, this is layer B, right? So it will be in series lah. Okay, what happen if the layer is like this? Okay, given that, ingat given that the direction is from left to right. Okay, kalau dia punya direction macam ni, sama lah macam ni juga tak ada beza je. Dia sekarang ni isu dia ialah bila direction dia macam ni. Okay, so ni kita abaikan lah. So this would be the direction. So bila the direction dia macam ni, okay, dia akan ada dua side, A and B. Okay, and this is another side. Okay, so what happened to the heat transfer ni is basically we will take the combination in effect of these two materials, okay, by assuming that this side temperature, we assume as Ti, and this side of temperature is the same, okay, then you will have this kind of equation. Okay, so all in all, what you can do is that you determine what is Ra first, okay. Ra, you know Ra is delta Xa over Ka. You have different A this time around, okay, because previously you have the same A, right? Because there is the same height, okay. But this time around, you will have the same width, okay. Yang width tu, yang ni, the same, okay, but different height, okay, different height, and but at the same time the thickness, okay, or the length is the same, okay, because it is in parallel, so the length is the same. It's just that your height is different, okay. So of course your A will be different, not like the previous one lah. The previous one, luckily for flat wall, the A will be the same, okay. So that is why you need to calculate the separate A lah, okay, for each layer, okay. So you determine R, you determine RB, okay. What is R, what is RB, and then you can just compute it as 1 over RA over 1 over RB. And if you ever want to determine the value of R, okay, it's not only, it's not the summation of R anymore. It's the summation of 1 over RA plus 1 over RB. So if you want to determine the R parallel here, it's basically 1 over RA plus 1 over RB, the inilah the inverse of this operation. Okay, so this is R parallel. Okay, but in the end, you take this R2 as over T1 minus T2. So this equation will as good as this one lah sebenarnya. Okay, as good as this one. Okay. That is why the punya equation end up dengan macam ni. So jangan panic if you ever met this kind of equation, okay, system, okay. And then what you can do is you have to determine RA and RB first. Okay. Then we start doing as apa yang cakap parallel lah. Okay. Okay. This one is much more yang ni tak ada contoh tak ada contoh. Okay. Boleh lah kalau nak contoh pun carilah kat mana aku teks pun ada contoh dia sebenarnya. Okay.